Alright YouTube, back at it again. This time I've redesigned my pallet landing layout. I did a couple tricks that I thought maybe somebody online might want to try. So to get the wood off the floor, I use pressure treated landscape logs, whatever you call them, and put that directly to the ground. Put some pallets on top of it, one string going that way, one going that way, and then just got some regular Harbor Freight pallets that were given away for free. Now I did try something different for the planks. I thought about using fence boards, and they're $1.12 a piece, so it's not free, but it's not too pricey. So I put, you see the dog's already, the dog was making mud of this area, so against our pallet extension over there, but I'm keeping him over here so he can make a mess like that. Bad dog. Anyways, so I don't know if this is gonna work, how long it's gonna work for, but at least I'm gonna try it and see how far it gets, how long it lasts. The pallet deck over there is doing pretty well. It's not broken apart yet, and it's still winter, so anyways. But yeah, fence boards, free pallets, those timbers, those pressure treated landscape timbers were $5 a piece, $4.98 or something like that. So keep regular out the mud and tracking mud to the house. Maybe this is an idea for you guys, maybe it's not. Enjoy YouTube. Subscribe to my channel for more odds and ends, weird DIY videos.